Hey everybody, welcome to EZ Cantonese. Today's episode, I'm going to teach you how to say wife and husband in Cantonese, and who knows, maybe that special somebody in my life might make an appearance. Yeah. Hey, before this EZ Cantonese lesson, I want you to help me out and share this channel with somebody that might want to learn Cantonese. I would greatly appreciate it. Alright, so how do you say wife or husband in Cantonese? Let's start with wife. Wife is lo pa. Lo means old or elderly. Pa means your grandmother on your mother's side. So together it means wife, lo pa. So husband is very similar. It's lo gong. Lo, as I mentioned already, is elderly or old. Gong is your grandfather on your mother's side. So together, lo gong means husband. So why is husband and wife called lo gong and lo pa? So the intent is probably for your husband and wife relationship for you to grow old and all the way to your grandma, grandfather status. You gotta grow old together until you go gray. In Cantonese, we have an idiom, ba tao do lo, which means exactly that. Alright, let's practice. Lo pa, lo gong. 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 Alright, can't have an episode of EZ Cantonese like this without showing you guys the love of my life. Ah, here he is, Mango, my cat. Oh, he's so cute.
What are you doing?
Oh, hey, what are you doing here? Thought you were out or something. What's she so mad about? Mango, where are you? Well, that's all the time we have for this week's EZ Cantonese. If you ever get married, make sure you get a nice sofa. Sometimes you gotta sleep there. Joe Taura, good night. So sweet, so cute.
What are you doing?
Oh, he's so cute.
What are you doing?
Oh, hey, I didn't know you were here.